Hey everyone, this is Paul with Tuts Plus, and you're watching the Getting Started with Android course. For this lesson, what we're going to do is go download Android Studio, which is the development environment that we're going to use for this course, as well as get it set up. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go and type Android Studio download into Google, and the first link here should be for developer.android.com/SDK. So we'll go ahead and click into there. For my screen, I do see the Mac download button. There will be one available for Windows and Linux users as well. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. We're going to say that we read and agree to the terms and conditions, and we'll download. It will take a couple minutes to download, so I have pre-done that. But if you look here, we do get a step-by-step instruction guide for installing Android Studio for your OS. So if you want to go through that, great. I am going to walk through it with the Mac that I'm using. It does mention that you will need the Java JDK, so it needs to be version 7 or higher. So if you don't have that, you can go ahead and download that from Oracle's website, and then just follow their instructions from there. For our stuff here, we'll just go ahead and open up the downloaded file, copy that into Applications, and that'll take a second or so to copy over. We'll open that. It should prompt us since it's the first time we have opened this. We'll click Open. And it'll take a second to just kind of check settings and look for SDK information. So we'll let that process real fast. All right, so when that is done, we can go ahead and point to our Java Development Kit environment. Mine is pre-populated and already installed, so I'm just going to go ahead and click Next. And then it'll ask us to install the Android SDK and the virtual device. This will just give us the latest versions of each. Again, we will go through the SDK package later to set everything up. This is a 3 gig download, so it will take some time. So we're just going to click Next here and accept. And as I said, it's the latest versions, which right now is SDK 21. So this will take a little bit to download. When it's done, you can just click Finished, and it should bring you up to the Android Create a Project screen. So in the next lesson, we will create the general Hello World project and kind of walk through the infrastructure for that. And then we will also look into installing additional SDKs. So yeah, that should be it for this lesson, and I will see you at the next.